Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for Oman users, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your online safety and freedom in Oman. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Oman? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your online activity stays private from surveillance and hackers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, making sure you never get exposed while browsing in Oman. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't store any info about your online presence. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters when choosing a VPN for Oman. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Oman because of its speed and security features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams or malware, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you create secure, private connections with friends or colleagues no matter where they are. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your laptop, phone, tablet, and more all at once while in Oman. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Oman user can verify its security. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you in Oman. And for those who need the lowest possible latency and fastest speeds, IPVanish offers a SOCKS 5 proxy option. This can speed up your connection further, but sacrifices a layer of encryption in the process. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Oman? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother streaming, faster downloads, and better overall browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found performance can vary depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose for Oman? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority. You want the best all-around VPN with the most features, or if you're streaming and browsing without lag. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or a household to protect. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer excellent value. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget-conscious or privacy-focused, needing proof your data is safe. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record truly set it apart. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using in Oman. See you soon.